Good morning, my dear student. This is Unit 2, class number 6, and the topic is organizational business ethics, and the subject is corporate governance and business ethics. My dear students, the concept of organizational ethics means it's try to understand what is organization. There is a two word is there. One is organization, another one is ethics. Organization means it's a collection of individual with some common goal, common objective is there. And organization may be a sole trading or company or maybe a partnership form of business organization. And the ethics means it is derived from attempt or endeavors by individual and to understand what is right or wrong and what is a positive way of doing the business, or what is a set of standard, or what is a set of rules and regulation are to be framed out, and what are the transparency and accountability and responsibility can be maintained within the organization of each of the manager or each of the persons, or these are called as a organizational ethics. Means organization means it's not only the collection of individuals with a common mission, but also to identify the role in which through which the organization can stand, and through which the set of stand and set of rules and regulation can be framed out. Ethics is concerned with the critical analysis of the situation, how you are to analyze the situation, how you are to identify the situation, how you are to present the situation, how you are to change the situation. Mean the situation means through which you can develop a set of core principle and core concept and core attempt to develop the ethical corporate behavior. Means core principle you have to adopt, or core ethical issues you have to adopt, how it is possible through the it's a good attempt can be made. That attempt is called as a organizational ethics. You see, the organizational ethics can be in a different format, that is called as one is corporate mission, another one is a constituency of relation, another one is policy and practices. These are the three way through which the levels of organizational ethics are there. My dear students, you see there are three levels of organizational ethics are there. One is corporate mission, another one is corporate relation, and third one is policies and practices. If you talk about corporate mission means it refers to the organization which are ethical responsibilities there, and through mission which can reflect the ambition and expectation of the employees can be solved, and through which good manner to achieve the corporate mission, or to achieve the corporate expectation, or to achieve the ambition of the employees, through which the mission means through which the particular organization can be used to define its ethical responsibility, that is the called as a corporate mission. If you talk about constituency relation, it means it's define the responsibility of the elements of an organization, and the elements of an organization may be the employees, or constituents of relation means there are different stakeholder approach. It means employees or customer or suppliers or shareholders or general public. Every stakeholders has and participate or their responsibility towards the organizational ethics. Another last one is the organizational policies and practices. How far the organizational policies and practices means the it's a commitment to prepare a rules and regulation with a business and administrative practices through which the policy can be prepared. My dear students, there are different types of organizational ethics are there. Organizational ethics is depend upon the different types of organization and the classification of the organization according to their economic and ethical concern. And there may be a four types. One is exploitative, second one manipulative, third one holistic, and fourth one balanced. If you talk about exploitative, the organization with low economic and ethical concern, that is called as exploitative. Low economic and ethical concern, it means one is economical, another one is ethical concern. That is the two parameters are there through which we can identify the organization. Like as an example of utilize the child labor and use of reverse dumping of waste and maximize their profits. These are called as exploitative type of organization, and they are having low economic and ethical concerns are there. Another one is manipulative. Some organization is high economic and low ethical concern is there. These are called as a manipulative. High economic, it means these organizations are not abiding the tax laws, labor laws, union laws, or that is called as a maximize their profits. These organizations can use the tax laws, labor laws also. Ethical concerns are, these are called as a manipulative organizations. And some organizations called as a holistic, means high ethical and low economic. Low economic concern, high ethical means that is called as holistic, means some organizations are more focused with social and environmental issues and social and environmental purposes, and these are called as a holistic organization. And some organizations are balanced. Organizationality balanced, it means high ethical and economic concerns, and with standard economic concern or balanced economic concern. These type of organization gain profit as well as work for social and environmental purposes. But nowadays, even if there are, so every organization are more focused with balanced way of organization, ethical issues. Balance means they are not only the making profit, but also they are focusing through social and environmental purposes through corporate social responsibility. They can make over the throw to throw upon this light upon the CSR activities. These are through which the exploitative, manipulative, holistic, and balanced. My dear students, another one is ethical issues in the organization. What are the ethical issues? There are different ethical issues in the organization or at a workplace, called as a identify the conflict issues, and different methods to motivate the employees, and fairness in employees appraisal can be prepared, motivate the employees, and protecting the secret organization, and different problems can be solved, corrective action can be made, through which the ethical issues of the organization or organizational culture can develop. This is also similar to the organizational culture concept, and then we can best motivate the employees, and appraisal, identify conflict issues, and interest of the customer, employee, supplier, means all stakeholders we can solve the problems. Next one is the corporate code of conduct. What is corporate code of conduct means? It is a set of standards and beliefs of an organization, and made by the managers of the organization. It is a thinking or attitude of the individual organization, and the ethics code of organization are different from rules of ethics. Rules of ethics and ethic rules are also in individual acts. No, but similarly, some elements are there. One definition, some elements are there. Means implementing the ethical code of conduct, introducing the ethics committee, and introducing the management training program through which the ethical issues can be addressed, or the ethically code of or set of standard can be enforced, or a set of standard and beliefs made by the managers can be influenced, or the rule of ethics or individual attitude and behavioral thinking can be changed upon through this corporate code of ethics. But ethical code means there are different ethical code of conducts. Codes are there. What are the ethical codes? This means it's a one type of discipline, or it's a one type of a tool of approach. It's called as a the tool for developing the ethical conduct. What are the tools? Means proper code of dressing means uniform and avoid abusing language or action, punctuality, sincerity and transparency and legalistic ethical codes are there, and always follow the instruction from the superiors, and performance of the fair performance appraisal. Personal and cultural ethical codes are there, personal and cultural ethical code, and official properly for personal use, and performance of good quality of work is there, having initiative is there, conservation of resources and protection of quality of environment is there. These are the some of the issues we can address upon. These are the some of the issues we can focus upon. These are the some of the good quality of work, high initiative and cultural ethical code, personal and performance and fair performance appraisal can develop, through which ethical code can develop, and that ethical code can promulgated by the some of the organization, then only the organization can make it success. And some of the advantages of ethics, code of ethics are, some of the advantages of code of ethics are, one is it should be handled with outside of the pressure, or means no pressure. The code of conduct should be implemented, and it should be strategic way we can implement, and we can distribute the work between the employees according to their potentialities. And the code of ethics can optimize the public image and confidence of the organization, and the skill and knowledge of the individuals. And code of ethics is different issues of the stakeholders. These code of ethics can be used to discourage improper requests from the employees, or this can strengthen the enterprise system. Strengthen means it's a through which different issues of the stakeholders we can address. How you have to respond, how you have to inculcate among the employees, how you have to skill oriented can be developed, how the knowledge of the individual can increase, how the public image and confidence of the organization can be developed. In this way the particular code of ethics can develop in such a manner. Next one, this is the way through which the code of conduct and code of ethical issues can successful. And thank you. If any question you can ask.